and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Warehouse Plus. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to use all of the purchase order features. With these features, you are able to create normal and dynamic purchase orders, as well as view any open, pending, partially delivered, and delivered purchase orders. Towards the end of the video, we will show you a function that will let you stock in against purchase orders. All of the purchase order features are grouped together underneath the purchase order icon. First, we will take a look at the create purchase order function. With this, you can create purchase orders for any stock you think you may need to buy. To do this, you have to fill in the relevant information on the screen right now and then click next. As you can see, there is a purchase date, supplier, location of delivery, and purchase order number. Above the next option, you can see there is an option to choose whether or not this purchase order will be a pending or open purchase order. Ticking the box will process it as a pending purchase order, so you will have to go to the pending purchase order feature to open it there. Leaving the box blank will open the purchase order as soon as you create it. Once you select the next option, you'll see all the items from the supplier that you have chosen that are currently under the minimum required quantity. You can either tick the box that ticks all the products, or you can tick individual products that you want to order. For this purchase order, I searched for Coke Zero. Once I saw the results of the search, I ticked the box on the left of my product to select it and enter the quantity I wanted to order. Once you select the next option from the screen, you'll be taken to the review page, where you can add a new product by selecting the box and plus sign above the subtotal. I chose to add on Coke to my order. As you can see, I scanned the barcode and it immediately brought up my product. From here, I entered a quantity to suit how much I wish to order. Once you are back at the review page, you'll be able to select Create PO and successfully create the purchase order. Your purchase order number will always include the date within it. This will be between the WP_PO and the last few digits. So it will be WP_PO followed by the date, in this case 14th of June 2018, 1462018, and then a random number, in this case 115916. Once you have opened the purchase order, you'll be able to find it in the Open Purchase Order section. If you received a full delivery, then you can check off the Delivered All box, and the purchase order will be moved into the Delivered Purchase Order section. If you don't receive all the stock in one delivery, then you can enter the quantity of stock you received and press Delivered. This will move the purchase order to the partially delivered purchase order section. Once you receive the remaining or next delivery, you can go to the partially delivered purchase order function to update the purchase order. Ticking Delivered All will fill in the quantity for you to the max quantity you can receive. This moves the purchase order to the Delivered feature. Dynamic purchase orders are used to allow you to order items from multiple suppliers within the feature. Creating the dynamic purchase order will split the purchase order and create multiple purchase orders, sending one for each supplier that you ordered from. To add an item to the dynamic purchase order, you have to search up through one of the three discussed ways: name, SKU, and barcode, and then add the quantity you want to order. From there, you can either scan another item through its barcode and again add the quantity, or click done and progress to the review page. Each time you scan another item, you'll be prompted to enter the quantity that you would like to order. I ordered 3 items from 2 separate suppliers. I ordered Coke Zero, Coke, and Peach Coke. Once you are done, you can review your order and select Create Purchase Order to open the purchase order. In the final part of this video, I will be showing you how to stock in against purchase orders. On the screen right now, we searched for Coke Zero to show you the stock levels. The current stock level is 320, 40 of which are in orders, leaving an available stock level of 280. I went to the pending purchase order section to open a purchase order that I already created. For this example, I delivered 50 of each product. When you press the name of an item from the screen, you can see the stock levels from each of the locations. I then went to the product availability feature to see the stock levels. I searched for both of the products and it showed that both products had increased by 50 each. I went back to partially delivered PO to deliver the rest of the purchase order. This moved the purchase order to delivered purchase orders, and again, we can check the stock levels from the product availability feature. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email, and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.